Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today's video is on the app Instagram, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can only see your friends post on Instagram. And it's going to be really simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you if you guys also want to see your friends only post on Instagram in chronological order. Now before moving on with this video, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's go into the video now, shall we? First step, after you open Instagram. Now once you open Instagram over here, at the top left corner of your screen where it says Instagram, you can see a little arrow pointing at the bottom, right? Well, that's the place you want to click on. Just click on the arrow and choose following. If you choose following, only the people you follow, their content, their video are only going to be shown to you, alright? So I follow Mr. Beast, Gary V, and only their content is being shown, nothing else. But if I scroll through normal mode, I'm going to be going to see random things like this. Esport, I'm not following him, I'm not following them, all these random things. So if you just want to see the things or like the posts of the people you follow, click on the arrow, go on following, alright? And just make sure your Instagram is up to date, because if your Instagram is not up to date, you're not going to be seeing this feature, alright? So hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.